What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back with another video. And this is my first video for 2024, so I would like to say Happy New Year's. I hope everybody's year is going as they wish so far. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on two items, and this brand I do not have in my collection, so I'm kind of excited to see if it's going to work or not. I just got this one the other day on the 6th of February, and the other one I had like the end of January. So I have patience, trust me. But anyway, both of these items came from FASHIONPHILE. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So I think I should open up the big one first. I haven't opened them up. I gotta cover up my address, so they haven't been tampered with anything. I am using the kitchen knife. Like I said, both of these items came from FASHIONPHILE. I tell you, they put some good tape on it, like they don't want you to steal it. Jeez. Okay. So, here is the item. It did come with a fingernail file. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet, is what it say. So they wrapped it within the paper here. It says FASHIONPHILE. They give you a dust bag, whether it comes with the brand that you buy, it comes with original dust bag or not. You will have a dust bag, which will say FASHIONPHILE. Do you hear it? I hear it. Okay. So, what your girl picked up was something sexy. If you know me and you've been rocking with me, you know my safe colors are black, white, and gray. So your girl picked up her very first YSL bag. She's beautiful. You see the print there itself. Not too fancy and flashy, but still flashy enough to see what it is. And I heard you from watching all the videos, you never do this from the front because you don't want this part here to curl up or anything. So they do it at an angle on the side. And as you can see, I had to toggle to really open it up. So it did come with, like I said, a dust bag, the original dust bag. So you can wear it with both straps like this, or you can, want to wear a crossbody, just drop it down, like you dropping it like that, drop it down. They do have a pocket in the back, and as far as on the inside, you can see they have a slot right here, and then just one big open area. Kind of reminds you of the Chanel, just different brand, cheaper price. Especially with the way the pre-love market is now on the Chanels. It's out of control. Okay, on to the next one. Like I said, this is also from FASHIONPHILE, covering up my address. Open it in the right way. Trying to make sure I stay in the middle of the box. So you guys, tell me what you've been up to. What you manifested for your new year. As you see, it was a struggle again. Here is the next one. FASHIONPHILE. Another file. A 2023 calendar. Which is, I say 2023, 2024 calendar. So if we go to this month, which is February, and they are talking about the jewelry, Cartier and the Chanel earrings, Cartier bracelet there. So it's always exciting to have that. Now my next item, it did come with the original box. It says Saint Laurent. Open it up. It comes like this. Taking the item out. Behind it is like this, which is their dust bag once again. And then the paper in the box. Packaged was 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, taking it out of the dust bag, and what your girl picked up is the YSL wallet. Can you see it? You see the details on her? I am so excited because this is my very first YSL one. So, and you can just zip around. You have the back that look like that. You could open it up like that, put cards in there. Then you could put cards here and here. If you carry cash, you could put it in there. I think this wallet is really going to work out for me because currently I'm carrying my Chanel wallet that's like this. And I just don't pack it to the brim. So we're going to hope this one works out better. So you guys, with that being said, your girl wanted to come in and do this video for you guys, letting you know that I am thinking about you and I'm still coming on and off. When I do come on, my videos will drop on Sunday at 11 o'clock. And some point, maybe once the weather gets better and I can vlog doing errands and stuff like that. We do more activities and stuff once the weather gets a little bit better, okay? But with that being said, you know what your girl always say. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop it down below. If there's a video you wish to see or something you want to talk about on this channel, leave me a comment down below. I'm all for it. We're family. We're friends. Let's kick this channel on off. So, with that being said,
Mel Quinn on the beat.